All right, guys, really excited about this. So I just wanted to share it with you. Basically, um, I was just troubleshooting my OpenClaw for an hour. This will happen every once in a while where you might have to, troubleshoot OpenClaw that's not responding at all. My Telegram was not working. My bot was just a blank screen logged in. It couldn't get to anything. And so I had ChatGPT run in and I just told it, hey, I need to troubleshoot this login. It took me a long time. I was doing other stuff while it was working sometimes, but I just kept coming back to it and just pasting everything that OpenClaw gave me. And eventually it found the issue. I had like migrated some data and then that data kept shutting down the service. And then I had to rename the data and then move it to backups and all this stuff. And it did that for me. ChatGPT did that for me automatically. And now it just came back and it said, yep, I'm here. Looks like Telegram delivery is behaving now. My OpenClaw page got in. And again, to get here, I connected to my EC2 instance with the public login. But anyways, this happens from time to time. I just want to encourage you that just use ChatGPT and use the command line on your EC2 by connecting to it. And then, yeah, you'll get there. Keep at it and you got this.